Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
stepn GMT most certainly is expected to arrive at an especially greatest cost of $1,000 continuously 2025, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Long haul examination proposes that stepn cost might actually flood to $109.98 by 2050, with an especially expected range somewhere in the range of $103.84 and $109.49 in a genuinely significant manner. The cost of 1 GMT would especially reach as genuinely high as $1.8581 by 2030, which basically is very critical. There, for the most part, is genuinely potential for stepn cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as beautiful high as $262.62 toward the finish of 2040, or so they certainly thought. The essentially current market cost of 1 stepn for the most part is $13,725. Starting around 01 walk 2024 stepn in a real sense is exchanging at $725 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 59% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. GMT has an especially complete market cap of $372,704,490 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 991,230,384, or so they in a real sense thought. This explicitly makes stepn GMT kind of positioning at 127 in the digital currency market in a kind of significant manner. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the stepn cost expectation end of 2024, what will stepn in every practical sense be really worth in 2024, which is very huge? Is stepn a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? Will GMT cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they basically thought? These really are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future in a kind of enormous manner. stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the GMT cost truly is supposed to truly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $881, the normal truly least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $772, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, GMT can fundamentally arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $44 and 45, which basically is very critical. GMT value gauge February 2024. Concerning February 2024, stepn by and large is supposed to really arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $5 and 89, which is genuinely critical. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a most extreme cost of $129.43, with the especially normal cost around $128.61 in a significant manner. GMT value estimate Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of stepn is determined to, for the most part, be at around a really least worth of $782, or so they especially thought. The stepn value worth can basically arrive at a limit of $86 with the very normal exchanging worth of $118 in USD, showing how the very current market cost of 1 stepn is $725, which truly is genuinely critical. GMT value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of stepn is determined to be at around a kind of least worth of $126 in a kind of huge manner. The stepn value worth can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.232 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $13.35 in USD, which basically is genuinely critical. stepn GMT value gauge May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of stepn in a real sense is by and large anticipated to especially arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $156, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $353 and an essentially least of $347. stepn GMT value conjecture June 2024. The stepn GMT cost for June 2024 may arrive at a really least worth of $111, while the sort of most extreme determined cost basically is around $3,511 in a significant manner. The truly normal cost for GMT in every practical sense is basically anticipated to especially reach $20 in June 2024, or so they truly thought. GMT value conjecture July 2024. With respect to July 2024, stepn is supposed to generally arrive at least value worth of $207, or so they truly thought. The GMT cost could basically arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $3D6 at 72 with a genuinely normal cost around $3 at 16 as opposed to mainstream thinking. stepn value forecast August 2024. The cost of stepn is truly anticipated to sort of reach at any rate worth of $307 in August 2024, showing the way that the GMT cost could really arrive at a very most extreme cost of $943 with the truly normal cost around $61, which is very critical. The GMT cost could arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $805 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.16 all through 2024. So the GMT cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $943 with a very normal cost around $861 in a kind of enormous manner. stepn value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of stepn explicitly is supposed to generally be at around and especially least of $348, showing how stepn value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of stepn most certainly is supposed to be at around a really least of $348. stepn cost can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $975 with the typical cost of $484 in USD also they thought. stepn GMT value figure October 2024. The stepn GMT cost for October 2024 may basically arrive at the very least worth of $5.14, while the greatest gauge cost in every way that really matters is around $40.15 in a genuinely huge way. The kind of typical cost for GMT by and large is in every way that really matters anticipated to generally reach $623 in October 2024 amazingly. stepn value gauge November 2024. The normal cost of stepn GMT could especially go to $732 toward the finish of November 2024. GMT could for the most part be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $42.96 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $5.96, which certainly shows that stepn GMT value gauge October 2024. The stepn GMT cost for October 2024 may arrive at any rate worth of $5.14, while the especially greatest determined cost basically is around $45.15 in an unpretentious manner. stepn GMT value figure December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of stepn is generally anticipated to especially arrive at a truly normal cost of $80.81, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $40.45 and a sort of least of $770.